Meta has launched a new app called Forum to compete with Reddit, and it came without any fanfare or even an official announcement. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Geek App Newsletter's Matt Navarra has spotted Forum in the App Store, where it's described as a dedicated space for the conversations that matter most to you, created specifically for Facebook groups. Meta seems to be pushing the idea that the app can help users get real answers from real people, making it sound like it could serve a purpose similar to Reddit's. Users will need to have a Facebook account to be able to use Forum, and they can log in with their credentials, so it's not really a website for anonymous conversations like Reddit. But users will be able to use anonymized usernames like they already can on the main Facebook page. Forum's feed will feature conversations from various groups. Since the new app asks users what they want to see upon logging in for the first time, it'll also most likely show users posts from other groups that may align with their interests. Anything a user posts in their groups on Forum will still show up on the main Facebook app, letting users easily continue or start conversations from either app. This isn't the first time Meta launched something like this. Back when it was just Facebook, the company also released a standalone Groups app, which eventually shut down back in 2017. But this new app now comes with a couple of AI features. The first one is Ask. Meta says Ask can pull responses across groups to answer a user's questions, so they don't have to search their groups one by one for the information they need. The other AI feature is an admin assistant that can help moderators manage their groups. Meta says the product is still under testing at the moment. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.